Oops, I need to get on YouTube here. So I had there was like a big power outage last night. There was a huge storm. And I had to redo everything. And then I got disconnected at like 2 a.m. I don't know if like stuff went out again. But anyway, welcome. Today is Tuesday, June 27th. We'll see if this RTY trade can make a move back up. Gold is in a short, also red at the moment. Anything else in a trade? No. Overnight, we had
Order
gold,
filled,
which was a loss, and then we had gold this morning, which was a win. Whoa, 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 what are these? Do you see how YM and NQ are shooting up to the sky? But RTY hasn't caught up yet. So we'll have to see what happens. Because they're different indexes. Hold on, let me share this in the group 1 second. So they could have different results there. ES is in a trade? I swear all my stuff is messed up. I'm so annoyed from last night because...
order filled,
Oh, ES hit targets. Nice. 500. Is that TP1? TP1. I swear all my stuff is messed up from the outage yesterday. Thank you for sharing that, Brenton. I'm also going to share this one here and with Amy. Also, I want to show the folks that made withdrawals with deal using, because remember, Apex is having a 90% sale. It's $17 right now to get a $50,000 account. My students are withdrawing $500, $4,000, $11,000, $20,000. Like, it's insane how much money they're withdrawing from deal to then be able to cash out on these Apex accounts that are so beneficial when using the algorithm. We got to get this RTY back up here to 45. See if we can do it. It's about 5 points away. I swear all of my stuff on this setup was so messed up because of last night. So I set everything up. Then we had a power outage. Let's go, ES. Back up, back up, back up. We're going to get TP2 here. I wonder if the trail version already moved the one up. Because, again, mine's messed up. So, yeah. We need to get back above 40. Come on. There we go. There we go, RTY. Back above 40. Let's get to 45. Do you hear that? That's the sound of money on gold wave. Gold is in this short for $200. You guys are kind of far out. Let me pull it this way. Anyway, if you want more information, please email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'm trying to click back and forth between RTY. Here we go. RTY is now at 1841. We need it at 1845. ES range moving back up. Went back to that first target. Let's go. Premium's going to be released this weekend. I'm so excited. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, guys. It is Tuesday, June 27th. We go live every single day, twice a day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. So make sure you follow us. There's a little option now on TikTok where you can get alerts when the person is live. If you go to the profile and then click on the little bell icon, you can choose what notifications you want. And it's awesome. ES is moving up here. We're still waiting for TP2 to hit. TP1 has already hit. Let's go. Let's go. RTY. How are we doing on RTY? RTY is now at almost 1842. Let's go. Nice. TP2 hit on ES. Let's go. Nice job, Michael. Michael's back in the green because we did have a loss for gold overnight, and then we had a win for gold in the morning, but it wasn't a full win, so it was a partial. And now folks are green with waffles. I forgot. You guys are calling this waffles. So we have eggs with NQ early. We have a bacon with NQ later. And then we have waffles with ES. These are the waffles. Let's go. We love it. Did NQ early take a trade too? Because I swear I think I'm bound to miss every trade today. Oh yeah, NQ early hit both targets too. So I'm just over here being a spectator today because my shit is so messed up. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. We need RTY. That's the last thing we need. We need RTY to get above 45. Everything else is good, good, good. Gold Knight was my first trade on Apex hat. Well, John, yeah, it happens. It happens. So ES, $500. NQ early, which is eggs, $250. That's $750 right there. We did have a $600 loss with gold, but then we had a $300 win with gold. So green on the day now. Well, look at this turnaround. Let's see if that turns RTY up, because it seems like it's a little bit on the opposite side of ES and NQ. So we'll see if we get this push up here. Santa is in a short. I don't have Santa up, but it is in a short right now. How many does ES take her day? Barbacoa. Yeah, it's too late. It only freaking takes one trade per day. Something like that. All right, we're at 42 with RTY now. Let's see if we can push up to 45. Let's go 3 for 3 on NQ. Love it. All right, we're at 42 now with RTY, 43. Let's go, let's push. Crypto, remember, as I said yesterday, all of this will be discussed when you join the group. The risk, everything is shown to you when you join the group. You're given access to the settings spreadsheet. It says, okay, well, this setup would be this risk. This setup would be this risk. So then you choose which setups you want to run, determining based off of the risk. So if the risk is too large, then you say, you know what, I'm not going to run this setup because the risk is too large, but I'm going to run this one because it's going to work within my, within my account and within my parameters. Like that, we are not financial advisors. We can't tell you what to do. Most people just follow what I do, honestly. Yuri said breakfast is her favorite meal of the day. Good morning, good morning. Please give a thumbs up if you're in YouTube. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. It's a great group. We really work hard to put out good settings, good setups. We do get people that love to cry around 8 a.m. if they wake up to a red day, but then they don't remember how green it's been in the past. So sometimes we just have to get them in order. We're back at entry for RTY. Whataburger for a sausage biscuit. There you go. Nice job, N. Jones. He's on his PA account. So yeah, I want to show you guys these payouts from Deal that members have been getting.
Order submitted.
Finally, it was going to have some cushion for the push-in. Nice job. I love to hear it. Let's push us. We need RTY to push above this 45. That's all we're waiting on. Gold is also... Gold took profit on that one short, and now it's in another short. No, I didn't actually want this. I wanted this. But I keep my eye on RTY because I want this to succeed. Oh, what is happening? Heath wants OJ. Oh, I guess RTY is not going to do it. Well, we'll see. It's gone back down to this area several times now. I got to go back to gold. I'm not doing a good job with the live stream. I'm too busy in the chat. RTY is the Russell. The Russell. And YM is the Dow. They're all the indexes. All the four main indexes we trade. The ES is the S&P 500. The NQ is the NASDAQ. Yeah, that was my friend that did 60K yesterday. Nice. Blue Horseshoe got 2K from the Deal payout. Wait, who, William? Who? Which one? Who are we talking about? Crying a little here and there. Crying's good for the soul. Oh, very good. NQ early just had another trade? No. What? What? What is happening? What is happening today? There's so much confusion. Very cool. Everyone's posting the results from today. I wanted to show you guys. People are crying at 7 a.m. I want to show you guys the conversation from yesterday. Where are we at? Where are we at? This is why the trail is great. I want to pull up the stuff from yesterday. Because they were having the conversation in the Tuesday thread last night. Or the Monday thread. Here it is. So I didn't know who it was. Figured they were new. Oh my gosh. No. William is awesome. Alright. Michael. $20,000 withdrawal. He got that today. This was all last night. And the withdrawals came in. $11,000 for Baba. This is all from Apex, where you withdraw and your money is in your account the next day. $4,000 for Irma. Tim withdrew $500. So these folks are using Apex, which right now is 90% off. 90% off. And you get a $50,000 account for $17. You got to hurry up with the VPS. The VPS will take 6 to 8 hours. So, Roger, make sure all you have to do is pay for it via PayPal, $50, and then in the next 6 to 8 hours, it will be ready for you. Yeah, XRP, there's like a million. Who's in the chat right now that wants to reply to XRP, that wants a testimonial? We have 247 members in the group. Most of them have been with me for at least a year. Some have been with me since 2020. So if you want more information on how to sign up, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It will have information for a cash account in the informational email, and it will also have information for an Apex account. Jen, you've been in the group since 2020. What are you talking about? Oh, no, because 2021, because Michael joined in the middle of 2020, and then you joined in 2021, like early 2021, right? I always say 2020 just because I associate you with Michael, which was like July of 2020. That's so funny. So if you want more information, Junk is in the group. Yeah, so just let him know. He wants a testimonial. Just try it. It works. Most of the people in this chat right now are in my group. Again, there's 247, and there's 70 on this call. So people that can be on the call are here. Did RTY try to save itself? What about ES? So ES 2 for 2 hit the target for $500, and Q 1 for 1 for $250. I can't remember like the pancakes and eggs. I shut that. I'm here. I've been here for 8 months. I took the mentorship and have learned so much. My best was I did run the Algo firm. So 2020 exactly. 30K in 2 weeks. Nice job, Kyle. Overnight, NQ on LIS Algo was 1 for 1 for $350. YM was 1 for 1 for $110. I was going to show you that. This was YM. This was NQ last night. And then RTY is already 1 for 1. And then it had, and now it just got in a second long that we're trying to see if it's going to come. Ooh, and we're moving back up here to see if we can get above this 1845. Let's go, RTY. Hi, Carlos. What's up? Carlos, are you seeing all these pictures of people with their withdrawals from deal? John said, I've been a member for 3 weeks and I'm up $7,000. I would join. Beyond that, you have an opportunity to learn. It's so true because I teach a lot. Even if you don't take my mentorship, I'm just always saying stuff and getting out there. Oh, somebody else just posted a withdraw for deal again. Mike. $2,000 he's having sent to his bank account. And again, this is all free money, essentially. He paid $17 for this account, $17, and he's able to withdraw $2,000 twice per month. Anthony N., great job. Daniel, look at all these Apex accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $250 on each of those accounts. Multiply that. Top 2 are Sim, and the 4 are PA. Best part, I'm done for the day. $2,000 through over $3,000 on his funded Apex accounts. Nice job, Reg. This was last night. Antoine posted that he got another certificate for a $50,000 account. Remember, you can have up to 20 Apex accounts. 20. And right now they're doing a 90% sale. RTY is almost back. Let's go. Which mechanical keyboard do you have? It's a Motor Speed. I got it years ago on Amazon, and I love it. Oil on Wave is in a $400 trade. Let's jump over here. $360 on this short. You can see the trail moving behind right here. This is the trail stop. Also, it's in a $400 short. Gold is also in a $170 short. 420 here now for oil. I just turned this on since I turned it on late today. This is the first trade. This is a fully automated algorithm that is trading for me. It is mine. I have been doing this since 2020. Nice job. Jimmy's going to work now. He made over $2,000. Awesome job, Jimmy. Anthony made $4, $8, $12, $1,600 this morning. Carlos just withdrew $8,500 from his funded account as well. Nice job. Listen, folks are withdrawing $500, $2,000, $4,000, $8,000, $11,000, $20,000 from an Apex account that they paid $17 for. You pay $17, you get a $50,000 account. You put it on my algorithm, you pass the evaluation, you're funded $500 on this one trade, then you can withdraw 2 times every month from Apex. 2 times every month you can withdraw. The first 3 months, they limit it at $2,000 per withdrawal, per account. So if you have 2 accounts, then you can withdraw $4,000 per withdrawal time, if that makes sense. How's RTY doing? Oh, RTY. RTY keeps faking us out. Does that make sense? Gold is in this short $310. Oil is in this short for $520. And you can see the trail is very close behind here. Use Apex to fund your cash. No, you don't do that, Roger. You don't fund it at all. They give you the money. That's the whole point of the Apex account. Use Apex to fund. Oh, you're saying you can use the money you make from Apex to fund your cash account. Yes, absolutely. So if you just withdrew $2,000 or $5,000 or $8,000 like my members did, then you could take that cash and then put it into a cash account on NinjaTrader. Yeah, absolutely. That's a really good idea. Because it's essentially free money, right? Because you didn't put any money up in Apex except for $17 to start the account. That's it. $17. Use the coupon code SAVE90. They're doing the sale only through July 5th. So or July 4th, like the holiday. So that's coming up quicker than you know it. That will be here. Tuesday is the holiday. So yes, so if you get an Apex account, each account is $17 with the Save 90 sale. You don't have to use all of them right away. So say you went and you wanted to get the 90% sale with 10 accounts. So then you pay $17 per account. You don't have to use all 10 accounts right away. You could start on the algorithm just using 1 account or just using 2 accounts. And like say maybe one gets busted, then you use one of your other 10 accounts that you've purchased. You don't have to use them right away. There's no minimum amount of time that you have to pass them. If you pass them quickly, the quickest amount of time you can pass a evaluation account is 7 trading days. So you join the group, you trade for 7 days, you pass the $2,500 threshold, whatever, or the $2,500 profit target. So, or is it 3,000? Sorry, it's 3,000 on a 50K account. So $3,000, you get that, and then you move on to having a funded account. With the funded account, you no longer pay monthly. You pay a one-time fee of $150. That covers market data and all of those things for life for that one account. Then you move on to having a fully funded account. You build the cushion on that. We always say go slow, build the cushion. Because once you have a funded account, you don't want to bust that. So, is it only Apex or other companies? Any prop firm that will work with Rhythmic or NinjaTrader, you can use. So some people will use Lilu, some people will use UProfit or OneProfit or whatever. But we've just found that Apex is the best in our mind. So, but yes, you can use other funded programs, other prop firms. It just has to work with NinjaTrader. The bot, yes, it is a monthly lease. So the first payment is $500 for 21 days. That's a trial period. It just lets you try the algorithm at a discounted price. If you like it, then you stay, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. We're also rolling out the premium service, which is going to include Bold Wave, Bold Wave, Bold Line, and Bold Chop. Those are going to be rolled out this weekend, but they are not going to be open to the public. They're only going to be open to folks that have been in my group for at least a month. Once you pass AVAL, how much money do you leave on the account before people take it out? Yeah, so NTSO, that's a really good question. It's typically, why does this look like it's so slow? Oh, look, RTY is going back up. It's back at 1842. RTY is playing games today. We're in this $350 short on gold and $360 short on gold and a $500 short on oil. Again, this is my trail stop. So if it hits the trail stop, it will exit the trade. You see the trail stop? So most people will build a cushion of like 5 to 10K before they withdraw. Obviously, you could withdraw like $500 or $1,000 and it wouldn't affect your account that much. But if you're looking to withdraw like image of, I have people withdrawing $4,000, $8,500, and $10,000, $20,000. You want to make sure you still keep enough in your account that you're not going to risk your funded account going bust. Does that make sense? So you really just want to be careful with it. Like, if you don't need the money, then it's probably best to just keep at least a 7 to 10K cushion. She said, go big or go home. Exactly. But you don't want to bust that funded account because then you have to start back over.
Order filled.
Whoa. Look at this movie. Oh, there's a report coming out. So George, look at all of these Apex accounts he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 accounts times $600. Jimmy, $2,000. Anthony, $1,600. And a withdraw, $2,000. Mike, look at all these, $200 on each of his accounts. Super excited to join. We'll be joining most likely next week. Just curious, how do we pay every month? Yep, it's via PayPal. When you email me, the email has the payment link, and then it's just an automatic payment from there. Oil is still in this trade, green, $560. RTY is finally back at entry. Let's go, RTY. Oh, look at that beautiful picture. Who just posted that? Someone's at a wedding? Oh, Mike, that's beautiful. Mike's daughter got married. This past weekend. Oh my gosh, he's in Barcelona camp. That's so cool. Look at these little kids. And the Algo is making him money while he's out here teaching kids how to play football, soccer, whatever country you're from, whatever you call it. All right, RTY. Look, oh my gosh, RTY is playing with us. RTY got back to entry. I'm thinking of buying more. Yeah, for sure. If you guys have any questions, please just put them in the chat. Gold is not in another trade yet. Oil is still in this short for $500 with 1 mini. You can see that right here. One contract, $530 is my current unrealized P&L. Now almost $600. $590, $610, and you can see the trail is moving itself down. If you want more information, the copier is something that most people get, but it's totally up to you. It's a one-time payment of $150. Again, I don't have any affiliation with Apex. We just pretty much say that, the company is good. They have really good sales. They're 90% off any of their accounts right now. But again, the reason why we always suggest the $50,000 accounts, because number one, it's easier to pass quicker. Number two, you get that then gets you to getting paid out faster, because if you need to build up a bigger profit target on, say, a $300,000 account, it's going to take a longer time to do that. And if it takes longer, then it's also going to be longer until you can take money out of your account. So the trailing drawdown is pretty appropriate on the 50K account. It seems to work out the best for us. So that is what we all pretty much get. And again, this ES range that made us $500 yesterday and $500 today is green over maybe now $8,700 in the last 9 weeks. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. If you want more information, please just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I need y'all in YouTube to be giving some thumbs ups or comment in the chat, because if not, I'm not going to be going live on YouTube anymore. TikTok is where it's at. TikTok people actually ask questions and have conversations, whereas on YouTube, I feel like folks just sit there and say nothing, and I don't really know why. I don't really know what the deal is. So then it's like, I feel like I'm not really doing anything, then I might as well not be on it. We are in the green on RTY. Finally RTY. Finally above that 1845. Can I buy Apex accounts now and then? Yes, exactly, Jonathan. You can buy them today, because remember, the sale ends on Tuesday. It's either Tuesday or Wednesday. The sale ends early next week. Yes, we go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. and then 2 to 3 p.m., all Eastern Standard Time. But yes, Jonathan, you can buy up to 20 Apex accounts right now. You don't need 20. You know, if you just want to start with
Order
one or
filled.
two, you can do that. Look, we're pushing up. Let's go, RTY. We're at 1847, 2 points above entry now. Did oil took profit there, so oil is green, $430. This is the first trade today. Again, I turned it on a bit later today. Gold is also green, $100 on the day on this setup on Wave. But again, I turned that on late as well. Go RTY. Go RTY. Hi, how can I have the software? Yep, so you just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. That's where you get all of the information. It will also give you the website for Apex, and the coupon code is SAVE90, SAVE90. We are still in the NQ chop zone. If you're one of my students, you get this gray box. It's a proprietary zone every single day by 2 or 3 a.m. You also get this yellow line, the LIS, every single day. So there are many things that happen in our group. You can be a student, or you can use the algorithm, or you can do both. Most people out of the 247 people in the group right now use the algorithm solely, and then they let it trade for them while they sleep, while they work, while they're teaching at camp. Whatever it might be, they're using the algorithm. Now, I have another 100 people in the group that are my students. So they could be using the algorithm, and they are students where they know how to manually read the charts. So they could read a chart and say, well, this doesn't look like something I want to see, so then maybe I'm going to exit this trade early. Look at this gold drop. And I don't know why Wave hasn't gotten back into this, because I like this trade. But yeah, so there could be a combination. So out of the 250 people in the group, essentially 100 of them are my students. So they know how to read the charts. So if the algo is in a trade that maybe they don't want to be in, they can then say, you know what, I don't want to be in this trade. I would rather, I guess mine didn't either. You know, I would rather kind of get out of this at break even or with a small profit or whatever. And they have the opportunity to do that because they know what they're looking at. But it's not required, but it is something that is recommended. Perfect. Are we in any trades right now? Except for the RTY that I'm not in, but I'm cheering for? No. YM on bold waves. This is YM LIS. I really need to separate these because I'm going to end up putting the LISs on their own chart. YM on waves is in this long here. Hi, what's the current special on getting an Apex account? Yep, so it's 90% off. Use the code SAVE90 to get 90% off an Apex account. We recommend, or, you know, just suggest getting the $50,000 account. You can get whatever account you want. Hi, Charlie. I just heard the tail end. Yeah. So it's 90% off any Apex account, but it ends on like Tuesday. So with a $50,000 account, you could take a couple NQ trades. Yes, NQ, ES, gold, and oil. Absolutely. YM is in this long green, $25. My main focus here is this RTY trade. If you guys want more information, just email me. Why not 1K kept trading and none of the other stuff? Yes. feeling hungry.
Order submitted.
RTYs. Pull back around. What did we just get in? ES on waves. ES on waves is in a short. I'm going to see if I can turn this around for you guys. Hold on. Because I have it on the other account. All right. ES on waves is green 100. $100. 125. We'll see. I just hope.
Order
Not too
filled.
heavy. Yeah, so it's not a ES. It's not, if you understand that the risk is too large for your account, then you need to do micros or just don't trade that one product. But range is our staple. So saying range doesn't really make much sense because the risk on ES, the risk on oil is very small. The risk on ES is very small. The risk on gold is pretty small. So you just turn them on and it trades for you. Like it just is what it is. If you bust your Apex account, it was literally $17. So that's why most people get multiple. When they're doing a 90% sale, most people will buy, 5, 10 Apex accounts. So if they bust one, it's not a big deal. And then they just circle in one of the other ones. Good morning. Should be starting with you guys tomorrow or Thursday. I can't wait. I've been watching the stream for a month now, and it's getting it's time to get my hands dirty. TikTok seems more intuitive than the chat and YouTube. People are trained to watch only. Well, that makes sense. But it just seems so like I have to have OBS up. I have to edit the stream every day. So YouTube is more cumbersome for me. The only reason I do it is so then I can say, hey, go back and watch, my last 3 years of live streams because obviously they don't save on TikTok. Yes. Oh my gosh. Benny, Apex is running a huge deal. 90% off. It expires on Tuesday. 90% off. Use the coupon code SAVE90 and then come use my algorithm to trade for you. So you can withdraw 4,000, 8,000, 10,000, 20,000 like my members just did to via deal to their bank accounts. Yeah, sure thing. Save 90. And then email me boldbotllc@gmail.com to get more information about the algorithms. Look at Ash. Let's look at these results for today so far. Ash has all of these Apex accounts. 800, 800, 800, 800. What's 800 times 4? 2,400? No, 3,200? 8, 16, 24, 32. 3,200 and then 700, 700, 700. Another 2,100. Over $5,000 with Apex accounts. Not risking any of his own money. I'm new, only a couple days in the group, and it works super. They are super helpful people. Thank you so much. I'm going to pin this on the top. When I purchase the Apex account, does the monthly bill start right away or when I start using the account? No. It starts right away, but it's literally $17, Jonathan. The Apex is $17. You purchase it, you pay for it. That's what it is. But you only pay... So you only pay for Apex when you're in evaluation. And it's a monthly, it would be $17 per month. But most people are only in evaluation for 1 to 2 weeks maximum. I don't know if anybody in my group has been in evaluation more than a month. It's still in the chop zone. I don't know. Ooh. Is that gold? Is that oil? It might be ES. No? Who is it? Oh, YM. YM's green $110 on the long. Oh, RTY's back to entry. Who's he? What are you talking about? Who? What do I get to start in the South Africa? Yeah, I don't know. South Africa seems to have been banned from NinjaTrader, so I don't know. You have to reach out to them and ask. Oh, you're talking about here? He's all like ES range, gold range. Is exit another trade? I swear, this is nice. See if you want to hit on that. Also, we're still in this chop zone. See how choppy? I don't know. I'm going to have to fully reset all of this tomorrow. But yeah, sorry. I was going through this. So Ash, $800. This was probably ES and NQ. And then this, I don't know, might have just been gold and then ES or something like that. Yep, that happens. John made 200, 450, and then 100 on all of these. So I joined late Monday. We'll fund through Apex today, so I'll be in demo mode until I pass. Yeah, so you're not funding through Apex. I think this is the confusion that's happening. You guys, you're not funding Apex. Apex is funding you. So you purchase an Apex account, right? You are in evaluation until you make whatever the profit target is on the website. So for the $50,000 account, you have to profit $3,000. It's not, it is quote unquote sim, but it's not sim in the way that like you're thinking of it. You're still running it, but you have to show them that you're a quote unquote good trader. Does that make sense? YM is green $205 on this long. So when you purchase your Apex account and then you come over to my email that I sent you and you email me and you purchase the algorithm, you are then in the group. You then set everything up and let's go. Let's drop to that TP2 here on eggs. When you sign up and you come into the group, you get everything set up. Once you have everything set up, you turn it on every single night when you go to bed and that's it. It trades for you. And then you either make money or maybe there could be, you know, one red day a week, maybe every now and then, whatever. They're pretty much going to be bought back to back. So whether you buy Apex first or you buy the algorithm first, it doesn't matter because you're going to get an Apex email right away. Like if you purchase an Apex account right now, you'll get an email from them within like 5 minutes saying, welcome to Apex, here's your account. And then you'd be purchasing the algorithm. So it doesn't matter which order you purchase them. It's $500 for the first 21 days as a paid trial, and then $1,000 every month after that. Does that make sense, Jazzman? So you are currently trading on simulation until you trade 7 trading days and reach $3,000 or more in profit. Once you do that, then you have a fully funded cash account given to you by Apex that you paid $17 for. Then all of those trades from there on out are real cash trading trades. So you have to be careful. You want to build your cushion. Ninja is no longer allowing people from South Africa to use their platform. That is what I said, Caleb. So I'm not sure what to tell you. If you want to email NinjaTrader, ask them. If you want to email Apex, ask them. You might still be able to use Apex. I don't know. but I am not versed in that. I just know that somebody tried to sign up for a cash account from South Africa because they used to allow it, and they no longer allow it. So far on the day on Just Range, we're green $450. That's NQ early, ES range, gold overnight, which had a loss, and then gold early, which had a win. So Apex gives you the money. Yeah, so they don't give you money. No one is just going to hand you $50,000. The money is in your account to trade with. Yes, Chris. So they're not handing you money, but they're saying you now have a $50,000 cash account that you can trade with. They're not like sending you a check in the mail. There's no way you can access the money, if that makes sense. Like, you're not allowed to like withdraw it or anything like that. Oh, I realize now why this didn't take any more trades. Does that make sense? All right, NQ early. Let's push back down here and get TP2. That's what we're waiting for. But yes, Jazzman, so you'll be in essentially sim or demo mode until you pass the evaluation. Once you pass the evaluation, then you're in live mode, and you want to build that cushion to then have everything from there on out not be a risk to your live account. And then your live account, you can withdraw 2 times every month. So for the first 3 months, they only allow per account $2,000 per withdraw. So you can withdraw $4,000 per month for the first 3 months. If you have more than one account, you can obviously just multiply that by how many accounts you have. I don't have an alternative, Caleb. Yeah, I get that. Makes sense. They keep 10%. Apex keeps 10% of the money you make when you have a funded account. You keep 90%. But the first $25,000 is 100% yours. So your not will trade during the Apex evaluation. My bot, yes, it will trade during the evaluation and during the funded process. That's why you sign up, you go to Apex, you get the 90% off account right now using this coupon code SAVE90. Then you email me for the discounted link to my algorithm because it's not on my website. You only get it as a new person. You sign up for the algorithm, you join the group, which is here in Slack. It's kind of like Discord, but it's Slack. This is Slack. You join the other 246 members that are part of the group. And then once you come in, we get you set up. I have 2 admins that hold your hand through the process, walk you through each and every step. Nice job, Charlie. Charlie is a truck driver. I love to talk about my truck drivers because this is why I started an automated algorithm. It's fully automated. He is driving across country, state by state every day. He can't trade. He cannot physically trade even if he wanted to. He is driving a semi truck or whatever. So the algorithm is making him, 7, 8, 9, whatever. Almost $2,000 today. 3, 6, 9, 12, 16. Yeah, $2,000. Sounds good. Just email me to get the discounted link, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We want NQ to drop a bit more so we can hit this TP2 on NQ early, which we also call eggs. We call NQ later bacon, and now we call the ES range and we call the ES1 pancakes, I think is the name, or waffles. Waffles? Yeah, I'm sorry, Caleb. I can't really do anything about it. Your country is just, it's not working. Move to a different country. All right, let's see what YM is doing on this long. YM is green 275 on this long on bold wave. Hi, Kenny. How are you? Kenny is in the chat. He's one of my students. He's been with me since 2020, and he has turned a $30,000 account into a million this year. Or was that since March, Kenny? I think he said it a few times this year. Listen, don't overlook the mentorship. It is a fire. And again, then you know kind of what's happening. Yep, exactly, Jimmy. What about RTY? Did RTY... Oh, look at RTY. RTY went up to 51. Did RTY hit any targets yet? I need to know. I've been cheering you guys on this whole time. I feel like I went over again last night. Nice. 245 on this YM long with one contract. You can see the trail stop has moved itself up. Charlie ended up 180. Was that on the RTY? And then did it hit the offset? Nice. So it hit TP1 and then it hit the offset, Charlie? Awesome. I'm going to put that in there. Thank you. So that was 180 just for the second trade, but then didn't it made 110 earlier. Oh, okay. Do you work with beginner traders? Yes, absolutely. You can take the mentorship and learn how to manually trade, or you can use the algorithm as a beginner. You do not need to know the... So if you're using cash, it's 2 to 3K minimum to start. But if you're using Apex, which is probably the better solution right now, they're doing a 90% sale until Tuesday, and it's save 90, so you can get a $50,000 account for $17. Yeah, $3,000 is close, Connor. But yeah, you can use the algorithm, and you can use the algorithm and, sorry. Oh, this is YM. This is YM on waves, green 215. Nice. So TP1 and then the offset hit for both trades. So it should be like $220 then on RTY on the day because it hit the TP1 and offset on the first trade. So LIS so far on the week, yesterday and today, is green $1,700 in 2 days. This is what I'm saying. LIS has been bringing in 3 to 4K extra per week. How do I join? Just email me, boltbotllc@gmail.com. Dale, I'm so excited to have you back. I'm done for the day. Nice job, Charlie. Have a great day, Charlie. It's 10:27. We've had a great morning. Even though I've missed some trades, we've had a lot of fun answering a lot of questions. Hi, good morning. Can I buy Apex account now while it's on sale? Absolutely, Trey. That's what you should be doing. And you were on the live stream yesterday, so I'm not sure why you haven't bought it yet. ApexTraderFunding.com. Use the coupon code SAVE90. I'll show you the website right now, and then I'll show you how to click sign up. ApexTraderFunding.com. Looks just like this. You go over here to the right, sign up. It will take you to the bottom. This is what you want. Rhythmic NinjaTrader. Rhythmic NinjaTrader, $50,000 is right here in the middle. Please, can you answer my question? Abdul, I don't know what your question is. If I buy 10 Apex accounts, so I need only one bot? Yes, you only need one bot. You can use the bot on up to 20 Apex accounts at a time. Yes, if you pass, but there's no reason to do that, Benny, because most people fail it, and that's what they kind of just bank on. If you pass the evaluation and then you join after that, that's totally fine. You can still use the algorithm on your account. But most people aren't good enough traders. They just keep busting the accounts. They take too large sizing, and they don't know what they're doing. Yeah. Charlie said he watched a month before he started. Yep, so you go here, you click start now, and then you would put in your credit card information, and then you need to put in the coupon code right here where it says coupon code SAVE90. SAVE90, 90. And then the $50,000 account will cost you $17. You have to do that same process for as many accounts as you want. They don't allow you, for some reason, to buy a quantity bulk purchase. So you can't say I want 10 or I want 20. You have to just automatically do one at a time. How do I get the trading go today? What? Oh, how did it go? Just looking. It's great. I just said we're green $1,700 yesterday and today on LIS. Today alone, we are green
Order submitted.
450 on range and 735 on LIS. So what's 735 plus 450? That's how we've done today. And it's 10:30 in the morning. We've made $1,200. And yesterday morning, I woke up to 965, and then I made 1,100 also on the time on the call. So yesterday and today, over $2,200, $2,300 in 2 days. All fully automated, 100% automated. So Apex discount is only from again, Abdul, the discount for Apex doesn't matter. You only pay for Apex when you're in evaluation. No one should be in evaluation for more than a month. If you are, then yes, you're going to pay another $17. But once you're out of evaluation and you're actually in a cash funded account, you do not pay Apex anything because they're getting 10% of all your profits. The bot, yes, the broker is NinjaTrader. All of this is in the informational email. If you email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So you only pay for Apex when you're in evaluation, and it's a monthly thing. So that $17 you should really only have to pay once. Then you have a funded account. You get the first $25,000 of profit, 100% for you. Then after that, Apex keeps 10% of all profits. You keep 90% of all profits. The bot is $500 for 21 days as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. I'm also rolling out premium setups. Kenny hit his $1 million mark on this account. Again, he's been with me since 2020. Yeah, Apex is the best prop firm. You have to pay $100 for the... Yes, once you get funded, you do have to pay a one-time fee of $150. Correct. That is correct, Long John Silver. But you're not ever paying monthly. So there's no like monthly reoccurrence with Apex. You pay the $17 now, you get funded, like you pass the evaluation, and then you pay a one-time fee for market data, for the platform, all that stuff. And that's $140, $150, something like that, for the account as a one-time fee. And then that's it. And then from there on, you don't pay Apex anything. They just keep 10% after you make $25,000 in profit. Yeah. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. Remember, we go live every single day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. on TikTok. So make sure you're checking us out on TikTok. Make sure you follow us. There's a notification bell. If you go to my profile, you can click on notifications and click the bell. It will tell you when I go live. Is it hard to pass evaluation? Absolutely not. Boogie, it's so easy. My members typically pass the evaluation in 3 to 4 trading days. As I said, today we're already green almost $1,200. Yesterday we're green, $1,200, so $2,400 in 2 days. You would be $600 away from passing evaluation after 2 days of using the algorithm. Monday and Tuesday, you'd be at positive $2,400 right now in this moment. And we still have the rest of the day for trades to happen. Look at this move up on YM. Maybe I'll stay until this hits the offset, the trail, green $335 on one contract. This is just one contract. This is Bold Wave. This is going to be rolled out this weekend. I'm super excited. I can't wait for my premium members to be able to use this. Yes, we reply on the weekends, but you should just be emailing us now and then keeping that email flagged in your inbox for later if you want to sign up this weekend. But yes, we work 24/7. We are around every single day. We go live twice a day, Monday through Friday, but we respond and we are in the group actively every single day of the week at all hours of the day. roller coaster ride. Again, if you're in evaluation, oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, that's great, Roger. So sign up for the algorithm, and then we'll get you set up. All right, I'm going to get off of here. I'm responding to some folks in the group. Okay, sounds good. We'll have you then. We're still in this long on YM, $310. And I'll see you guys later. We'll be live again at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye.